Hi there, my name is Shiranga and welcome to Talk in Korean. In this lesson, you will learn how to answer the question, what is it in Korean? Okay, let's get started. For example, if someone is unsure of an object that you are holding, the person may ask you in a question, what is it? If the object you are holding is a book, you may answer like, it's a book. Of course, when you say it's a book, you don't need to indicate the object because the speaker and listener both know which object is being referred to, right? So, the casual or informal Korean version of it's a book is 책이야. One more time. 책이야. We can just say 책이야. Here, 책 means a book. This version can be used between very close friends, okay? And the polite or formal version is 책입니다. One more time. 책입니다. You can just say 책입니다. This version can be used when you talk to a senior person, okay? Today, I've talked about how to answer the question, what is it in Korean? In the next lesson, you'll be learning how to say what color is it in Korean. Okay? Remember that. The key to learning Hangul quickly is practicing it as much as possible. A new video is going to be uploaded to this channel every week. If you like, click the subscribe and follow along. Thank you for watching today. See you again next time. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕.